What's up YouTube and welcome again sa ating another episode dito sa James Monte Vlogs. And nandito tayo ngayon sa Mount Purro Nature Reserve. Ito ay nasa dulo ng Antipolo. It's a resort slash retreat place to detox from all technology. Why? Because walang TV sa room, walang signal except for smart, I think. Sama ka kayo sa akin as we go to an adventure, as we go around the resort. And by the way, thank you for all who have already liked and subscribed to the channel. Continue supporting the channel and keep on watching. Don't forget to hit that notification bell para alam nyo rin palagi kung meron akong upload. It's a big place, parang 30 plus hectares, but half of it pa lang ang nagagamit. There's hiking, there's Dumagat tribe demo for cooking, making fire. There's a playground for the kids, and then hiking. Yun yung nilook forward ko, mag-hike tayo. So, yun. Samahan nyo ako, explore natin ang Mount Purro Nature Reserve. Let's go! Layo!
Diba?
Ako tatay mo. Ako papa.